Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily withdraw money from Binance to your bank when your currency is not listed. So what you need to do is this. I will create a paint for you. You need to sell to Bitcoin or to Ethereum. When you're going to sell to Bitcoin or Ethereum or altcoins or what you have, then you want to write in Google exchange in your country, so like I don't know, India or whatever exchange, like exchange in, and just write your crypto exchange in like Spain, right? Now in exchange to buy Bitcoin, you choose one and then you come back to Binance. Then what you want to do is this. You want to send that Ethereum or Bitcoin or what you're gonna get to your exchange, and then you want to withdraw money. And this is how we make cash. I know that you're gonna pay like a little bit of a fees, but this is pretty much the way how you should do it. So when we come here to wallet and I go to fiat and spot, then you're gonna have like, let's say Bitcoin, and you want to go first here like WeChain trade, right? And you can trade it with Ethereum. So let's say WeChain Ethereum. Now what you want to do is to just sell. Come here, sell WeChain for Ethereum. So I'm going to sell a month of this, and this is the price. So this is how I'm going to get Ethereum. And then what I would do, I would go to right again to wallet overview, click on my everything here, click on Ethereum withdraw, and then I would just write here recipient Ethereum address. I would just write, like, copy paste the address that you're gonna get from new exchange, and this is how you can simply do it, and this is how you can simply withdraw. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And this is the same with the Bitcoin, right? So yeah, thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.